Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mike Colleen at MikeColleen.com. How you doing? Hey, this is going to be a series of videos. I'm going to start doing short videos on my course, Crack the Female Code, and the women's course, Why Men Just Don't Get It. So this video is going to be about how our mating systems are wired and the mistake that men are making when they're trying to romance/turn on women. All right, so let me get right to it. All right. So here's the deal, guys. I got to ask you a question. The female mating system, let me do it this way. So did you know that both the male and female mating systems are in the lower reptilian brain? So you got the left brain, the logical processor, the male brain. Then you got the right female brain, the internal brain. Then you got the lower reptilian brain, which is on the brainstem, right? So now watch this. So the male mating system connects to the eyes through the optic nerve. So men are stimulated, attracted, turned on by a woman visually by looking at her body, by looking at her cute smile, by looking at her boobs and her butt and the way she swivels and moves. Because that's how the male mating system is triggered and stimulated. The female mating system has a nerve that curves off to the right brain's communication center. Excuse me. Keyword right brain, not the left brain, because a lot of women on dating sites or even in person will say, well, I'm looking for a guy who knows how to communicate. Men automatically by default assume, oh, she means left brain. Logical science say, oh, I'm a great communicator. I got great grades in high school English and college. I even had a client who had a master's degree and he thought that's what I meant. I said, no, that's all left brain. That'll turn a woman off. Logic and all that stuff is not what you want. So here's the folly that men do. Because we're visual, we assume, well, so is she. No, women are not. But you think about, look, she dresses up nice, because women are very conscious. Women know that's the way the male mating system is triggered. Women know the way you attract a man is you put on your high heels, lipstick, makeup, hair, earrings, etc. because it attracts you, and they swivel and they move around. You want to know what it's like? I'm dead serious. And ladies, you're gonna laugh here, and guys, you might too. When I used to go fishing when I was a little kid, you get a lure, and you wanted to get the flashy one, all the spinny stuff, and especially if it reflected the sunlight, and you cast it out there, and well, one day I was on the pond. And there was like a shadow over the pond, and you could see the fish. It was because it was the tree and where the sun was set. It was a big tree. And when you were pulling it through, you could see the sunlight reflecting off of the lure. And this one fish was like a man, like with blinders on, just going straight forward. And I pulled the lure in front of him once, and then I cast it out and then again. And as it went by him, you could see him go stop, and he just jerked his head, and then and he hit it. That's how men are. I'm serious, guys. You may not realize it, but women are very conscious. If they swivel their hips, they move, and they're like, caught them. Okay, so the thing is, her mating system is not turned on that way. So when you wash your car, buy chrome rims, wax your car, you get your hair cut to look good, you get a good-looking shirt, all that's all visual. Remember, the male mating system is connected to his eyes. Men are visually stimulated. The female mating system is connected to her right brain's communication center. That's here, the ear, but it's the hidden language, the hidden right brain language. It's called the internal, mentally stimulating and emotionally fulfilling language. And ladies know exactly what I mean. It's about meaningful communication. Guys, if you learn how to do this, you're going to turn her on and she's going to want you. If you want to learn more, buy my book, Crack the Female Code, at MikeColleen.com or CrackTheFemaleCode.com. See you guys. Bye.